How to go live on TikTok without 1000 followers. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, tap on your profile, or you can just directly first tap on the plus icon over here. And as you tap on that, as you can see over here, there's no option of live over here. There's photo, text and video, but not live. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back and then tap on your profile at the bottom right, and then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Then tap on settings and privacy, and then scroll down, and here under content and display you'll be able to see the option of live. So tap on live, and then you can just go back and tap on report a problem. As you tap on report a problem, here you can see different options. So since we have an issue with live, so we're going to tap on live, and I'm going to tap on hosting live. So here it will give you different options and different questions regarding hosting live. So if it does not include within this questions, and what you have to do is just tap on any of these options and just tap on is the problem resolved, then tap on no and tap on need more help, and it will take you to the TikTok help desk. All you have to do is just type in like so just tap and send this to the TikTok team, and they'll respond to you within 24 hours and help you add the TikTok live option. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.